All right, everyone, we're getting ready to load up the kids and head to the Circleville Kidsapalooza car show 2023. Looking forward to a good time. There's a lot of stuff for the kids to do. There's face painting and bounce houses, and I don't know what else they got going on, to be honest with you, but we're looking forward to it. It is our youngest's his fifth birthday, and he, for some reason, thanks to the car show and Kidsapalooza, was all done for him. So I'm just going to let him think that. It's a lot less work for me to do. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are with, what's your name?
Dan.
Dan, tell us about your car.
So it's a 1965 Mustang. I bought this car over 30 years ago, and it's been in some stage of storage, restoration, or a shelving material ever since. 2.5 years ago, my wife said, "You need to make room in the garage." I said, "Well, I'm going to restore it then." She said, "Go ahead." And good buddy Brian Boyce, or Boyce's Restoration's been wrenching on it ever since. And he's turned it in from a junkyard dog to a beauty it is today. It's almost brand new.
Awesome. So how original is this car?
This car is almost 100% original. The one thing that's different is that motor. It is a 289. I have the original 289 that came out of it, but it threw a rod after a botched rebuild. So I kept the block. I've got all the original manifolds, but the motor in it now is a 289 crate motor.
But you still went 289 instead of an LS swap or
Yes, sir. Yes,
some
sir.
modern. I like it. I appreciate that.
We took it all back to the way it was supposed to be. Although it's not the original color, it was originally a blue. We upgraded it to red. Did a couple upgrades on it, a little bit on the brakes. But for the most part, it's probably better than the day it was new.
Awesome. I love it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's a nice car. Well, thank you. Appreciate you, and God bless America, man.
All right. All right, sir, what's your name?
My name's Brian Carruthers.
All right, tell me about your car here.
It's a 1928 Rio Flying Cloud.
How long did this take you?
I actually didn't build it. I went to Massachusetts and bought it from somebody else.
Oh, okay.
That
Very good.
That had a back injury and he couldn't finish it.
Well, that'd be hard with the back injury to drive anyway.
Right. Yeah.
And you drove it all the way back?
No, it's all the way back. Yeah, I wasn't driving it through New York.
So, So what engine's it got in it? Engine transmission?
It's a 355 with 205 heads, and it's a turbo 350 with a shift kit.
Beautiful.
12 bolt rear end.
Love it. Absolutely love it. We're going to get some more shots of here and move on.
Something to eat, sweetie. Let's go get some bite.
All right, your name is?
John Crutcher.
Tell us about your car.
It's a 1972 Oldsmobile 442. It's a W29 car, which means in 72 that it had the 354 barrel engine, had the box lower control arms, the big sway bars, the big brakes, and you got the 4-barrel rocket.
Now, is this all original?
Car is mostly original. I've owned it since 1977. It had 50,000 miles on it when I bought it. And it's been repaired and refinished over the years as needed. Sheet metal is all original, floor pans, trunk pans, even the ball joints, tie rod ends, and control arm bushings are the original ones. Funny how when you put grease in them, they last.
Yes, it is. All right, I think I'm going to get some shots of your car here.
Thank you very much.
All right, everybody, here's something I found that I absolutely love about some of these vehicles. And I figured I'd point it out because we made this a family day for us on my son's birthday. And I love looking into a vehicle and seeing a car seat, because that shows this tradition is getting passed down to younger generations. And let's be honest, when they grow up, they're not going to go to show and look at a bunch of CRVs. right, there it is, the 2023 Kidsapalooza car show and toy drive in Circleville, Ohio, to benefit the kids. Our boys had a great time. Sorry if I did not get your car on there. I got around and got to talk to a lot of people, but did not get to video everything. But it was a great turnout, a great event. I believe this is the biggest one yet by far. So we had a good time and are looking forward to next year. Thanks for watching.